Tired of tools that slow you down? These next-level gadgets cut faster, build smarter, and clean easier. Simple, powerful, and made to save your time. Let's see the tools that make work feel effortless. When it comes to woodworking, precision can turn a simple project into true craftsmanship. And that's where the Festool Domino Joiner comes in. An innovative tool designed to make strong, precise joints, fast and effortless. Its spiral cutter with a carbide tip oscillates and rotates, creating perfectly shaped mortises with every pass. This system replaces the slow, traditional mortising process, making joinery faster, cleaner, and more consistent. Adjusting the mortise width is simple. Just turn the dial, and the pivoting fence allows angled cuts from 0 to 90 degrees with stops at key positions. Though priced around $1,200, its precision, speed, and build quality make it a true investment for professional woodworkers. After precision comes finesse, because even the cleanest cut still needs a perfect finish. That's where the Woodpecker's Corner brushes shine. An ingenious hand tool designed to soften sharp or rough edges on woodcuts. They let you create a perfect 45-degree bevel or smooth roundovers with 1/4 inch, 3/16 inch, or 1/8 inch radiuses, quickly and easily without using any power tools. Each brush comes with a durable aluminum body, a carbide blade cutter, and even a wall mount bracket to keep your workspace clean and organized. Ideal for carpenters and cabinet makers, these brushes deliver a professional, gentle finish to any woodworking project. A complete set of 4 sells for about $470, though you can also buy each one separately. When every cut and edge is perfect, the next step is holding it all firmly in place. That's where the Kreg Bench Clamp comes in. A powerful and versatile tool made for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. It comes with a solid base plate that holds materials up to 3.5 inches thick on any 20mm workbench surface. Its auto-adjust mechanism ensures even pressure with just a quick twist of the screw, and the 360-degree rotating base lets you clamp from any angle with ease. Built by Kreg, a trusted name in woodworking, it's strong, precise, and comfortable to use thanks to its padded grip handles. Compact, portable, and reliable. It's the perfect accessory for woodworking and crafts, helping you hold pieces steady and freeing your hands for detailed work. Priced around $70, it's a durable addition to any workshop. Just when you think the hard part is done, this little gadget proves precision can go even further. The Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor 710 is a highly accurate and reliable stud finder, built for professionals who need precision. With its 13 sensors, it instantly shows the exact location and full width of each stud, even through plasterboard up to 1.6 inches deep. No calibration, no guessing, no mistakes. Just scan, and it's done. Fast, steady, and precise every single time. It also features a built-in bubble level and runs on 2 AA batteries for everyday convenience. At around $55, it's an excellent choice for builders and remodelers who want dependable accuracy on every job. After marking every perfect spot, it's time to lock everything down fast. That's where the L-Rapid XP30 steps in. Compact, reliable, and made for plasterboard anchors, it makes fixation work fast and accurate. Compatible with M4 to M6 anchors, it ensures a strong and steady installation. Built from aluminum with a non-slip base, it gives solid grip and control. Lightweight, ergonomic, and built to perform for both pros and DIY users. 3-year warranty, $38. A small tool that makes a big difference. Lifting heavy materials has always been a challenge one-on-one, especially when time's ticking and you're working solo. But not anymore. The Grabo electric suction lifter changes the way you lift. Strong, precise, and completely safe. It handles up to 265 pounds on any surface, from glass and metal to wood and concrete. Its electric vacuum pump delivers steady suction, while the pressure sensor keeps everything locked tight. No slips, no worries. Just power and total control. At about $250, Grabo is the muscle every pro deserves. Not every job needs brute force. Sometimes what you really need is a touch of finesse and precision. That's where the Black Plus Decker Speedy Edge Painter shines. A small but clever tool that lets you paint perfect edges, no masking tape required. It combines a soft pad applicator with an adjustable paint flow system, giving you smooth, even lines in a single stroke. Works with almost any kind of paint. Just fill the tube, attach the sleeve, and start painting. Fast, clean, and easy. All that convenience for just $20, saving you hours of extra effort. Ever tried measuring a curved edge with a straight ruler? That's where the Uncle's Contour Gauge makes all the difference. With its unlimited connection system and shape-locking feature, it captures any contour on tile, wood, or metal perfectly. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's compact, fast, and saves hours of finishing work. Smart, simple, and only $10. A tiny tool that delivers big precision. When the machines are roaring around you, sometimes the only rhythm that keeps you going is music. That's where Makita's job site radio shines. It brings powerful stereo sound in a tough, dust and water-resistant IP64 body, ready for any job site. With Bluetooth, AUX, USB charging, and a digital tuner for crystal clear reception, this radio keeps your day flowing. Dual speakers deliver rich, immersive sound, keeping energy high and spirits up. And when it's time for a break, yes, there's even a built-in bottle opener. Strong, smart, and always ready. This is the soundtrack of the job site. When pipes clog up, what you really need isn't brute force. It's precision and flexibility. That's where Rigid's K912 Flex Shaft comes in. Weighing only 4.5 kilograms, it delivers professional cleaning power in a compact frame. Its 9-meter encapsulated cable slides easily through pipes up to 2 inches wide, breaking blockages with its agile spinning head. Attach it to any cordless drill, and it spins at 1,800 to 2,500 RPM. Your ideal power source might already be in your toolbox. Compact, durable, and efficient, the K912 proves that real power comes in smart design for just $230. Cleaning the yard doesn't have to feel like hard work. With the Works Leaf Jet, it's as light as air, that's it literally. Weighing only 1.7 kilograms, this cordless blower delivers serious power, clearing dry or wet leaves with ease. Its ergonomic one-hand control makes it effortless, and 2 smart modes, 410 cubic feet per minute volume and 130 miles per hour speed, handle any job perfectly. Compact, quiet, and efficient. It's all the power you need for just $137. When it comes to chainsaws, most people think of danger. But Jawsaw changes that. With its fully enclosed blade, you can cut safely and confidently, without losing any of the power or speed you expect. Its 6-inch bar slices through 4-inch branches with ease, and the extended handle lets you trim high or low without bending or straining. Automatic chain tensioning and a built-in oiler keep everything running smoothly, extending its life and reliability. Jawsaw, smart, powerful, and safe. A new way to cut for just $130. Because sometimes real power means control.